Hello and welcome. We are excited to announce a new update to BoloSign's platform, a field list feature that makes managing fields on multi-page PDFs and templates easier than ever. Let's dive in and see how it works. Firstly, we'll click on PDF creation option. Now we'll add the document and all the required information. Once everything is done, we'll click on confirm. After the document has been added, add all the relevant fields required for this particular document. Added all the relevant fields to this particular document. On the left side of the document, you will see the list of pages. There you can access the three dots menu, which will provide you all available options for each page. There you will get the option of field list. If you'll click on this, on the right side of the PDF editor, under the field list, you'll see a display of the fields you have added to each specific page of the document. If you'll scroll the document, you can see that the page has been this, and these are all the fields which I've added in the second page of the document. You can see that there are two options available. Either you can edit or delete that particular field on the page. If you'll click on edit option, you can customize that particular field and make changes, and you can also duplicate that field to all the pages, and you can duplicate that to the following page. In the same way, you can delete that field. If you click on delete, and that particular field from page 1 of 6 pages of the document has been deleted. This is the same steps you have to follow while editing the PDF template. I'll show you how you can do that in PDF template. We'll click on send by email, review the recipients, continue, and send by email. And this document has been sent for signatures. Now, if we'll click on PDF templates, we'll click on this action, edit fields. Once the document has been uploaded, we'll do the same steps, three dots, field list, and see the first page has only signature field. If we'll scroll down, there is no field added. But in the fourth page, there are four fields added. If you want to edit, you'll just click on edit option. And if you want to delete, you can delete that particular field. Then this new field list feature is a game changer, especially when working with lengthy documents. It streamlines your workflow, making it easier to stay organized and ensure that each page has the necessary fields. Whether you're handling contracts, forms, or any other multi-page document, this update helps you keep track of field placements with ease, saving time and reducing errors. Thank you.